Hello everyone. I would like to introduce the loops function in R, and I hope you doing well for the next week. Did you have any question about the last topic about making a decision for R? So since you know how to make a decision, uh, so today's course I would like to tell you how to do the things many times. Okay, so today's course is about the loop. What is a loop? A loop, you may have a situation, so you need to execute a block of code several numbers of times. So you maybe ask computer to run your codes more than one time, maybe 10 times, 100 times. So you have to use the loop function for the R. For R programming language, they provide the following kinds of loop to handle looping requirements. So there are three loop functions for you. The first one we call repeat. So you can ask computer to repeat the situation you like. The second function is called while loop. So you may have some condition to meet and do the loop function. Okay, for the last one we call for loop. So you can specify how many times you are asking computer to do the job. Okay, so remember there are three loop functions for this course. Okay, besides the loop function, we also need to know two control statements for loop. So what is control statement means? So if you want to stop the loop, if you ask computer to maybe 1,000 times, but if you want to stop the loop, maybe just execution for 10 times, you have to use the break statement to stop, to terminate your loop function. Okay, so for the second one, control statements, we call next statements. Next statements. Okay, so we have a quick look at about the first one, repeat loop. Okay, for the first one, repeat loop. So it executes the same code again and again until a stop condition is met. So like you can see this diagram in the right hand side. So when we execute a condition code, if the condition is true, so make a decision. If it is true, so you go to the condition code. Or you may break and go the end of your repeat condition. Okay, so for the repeat loop, the syntax for repeat is you just use the repeat keyword in the beginning. And you have some comments for the code you want to execution for many times. But you have to make some condition to end your repeat function. if you didn't set any condition to stop, to terminate your loop function, so your R script file may run again and again. It cannot go to the end. So you have to set a condition to meet and end your repeat function. So keep in mind. So you have to specify your condition to meet and end your repeat. Okay, so let us see some examples for repeat function. First, we assign two string to V and set a count number as 2 and repeat to print our hello loop, these two characters, and then plus 1. Since CNT now is 2, plus 1, it will be 3. And here is our condition. If the CNT be more than 5, it will break your repeat function. Okay, so let us take a look at what is the result for this. Actually, so you can have a new R script file here. So we just copy the source code here. So run the first instruction. So we assign available V as 2 characters. The first element is hello, and the second element is loop. Also, you can take a look at what is the content for your variable V. Just type V in the second lines and run it, and you get these results. So the V variable, it contains 2 strings, 2 characters. One is hello and the other is loop. Okay, we assign CNT, it means counter, as 2. So right now CNT is 2. So let us repeat. We repeat to print the content for the V. So here, so let us execution to run the repeat block. So you may see the results here. So the result is it print out 4 times the content for the V variables. So here you can see in the first, when CNT is 2, so it print 2, right? It print V in the first time. And then CNT become 3. Okay, become 3 because it's 2 plus 1, 3. So you may have this condition. CNT 3 is 3 bigger than 5? No. So it does not execute this function. So it go back to repeat and print variable V again. So like the second one. So for the 6 lines, CNT right now is 3, right? 3 plus 1, it will be 4. So CNT now is 4. 4 is not bigger than 5. So it go back to repeat again and print hello loop again. So right now going to here is 4 plus 1. So CNT right now is 5. Right now is 5, right? So 5 is not bigger than 5. So it doesn't. So this condition does not meet, right? So it go back to repeat again and print the last one variable v hello loop. So when here CNT is 5, right? 5 plus 1, it will be 6. So here you can see 6 is bigger than 5. So this condition meet. So it break our repeat function. So it come to the end. So if you can practice, so you can change whatever you like to understand what is this condition mean. If I want to it bigger than 5, if CNT bigger and bigger or equal 5, so it break. So what is this instruction? What is the result for this part of our code? Okay, so we run it again. So let me erase all the variable here and run this function again. 2. Okay, repeat. Okay, sorry, I didn't assign the v variable here. Okay, so you may copy v here. Okay, so we repeat. So okay, so you see the difference. So for this block of function, this source code, it only print out the content for v variable only 3 times. But for this one, it print out variable 4 times. So you can see the difference, what is bigger and equal. So you can see the difference. Okay, so let us go back to our homework in class. So let us practice repeat function. Okay, so let us copy the instructions here. Okay, so copy to our R script, edit function here. So let us, okay, so first I assign x as 1, integer 1, and I to repeat to print x out, and followed by x to increase by 1. So the next time x will become 2. If x equal to 6, and print it again with plus 1 and break. So my my function is to make a condition if x equal to 6. So I stop and terminate the repeat function. Okay, so you can see the result is, so first it print x as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 all the way to x equal to 6. So what happened for the last one is 7. Can you tell the difference? Because for the last print function, I make x to plus 1 to print out. So basically x is 6 and plus 1 it will be 7. Okay, so you also can make your practice. If you want to print it out 100 times, okay, 100 times, so it will repeat 100 times. Okay, so let us run the source code. So you can see it will print out 100 times. So you have to keep in mind what is the difference, because for the last one I add one more. Okay, it's your turn to do the homework in class 1.